Welcome guys, my name is Muhammad Asifan. In this video, I have created the Python program for the second exercise of chapter 2 book Gaddis starting out with Python 4th edition. This program will ask the user to enter total amount of sales and it will calculate and display the 23% profit on the entered amount. So let's see how this works. First of all, I have created a variable profit and store a value 0.23 in it. Then I have created a variable total sales and made this variable user defined by input statement. The program will ask the user to enter total amount of sales. Then I have created a variable total profit and set it equal to total sales multiplied by profit. It will give us total profit, and at last I have print your total profit is comma total profit. Let's run. When we run the program, it will ask enter the total amount of sales. Let's enter 10,000. Very good. It's giving us correct output. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comments and don't forget to subscribe.